Hey, what's up YouTube? On this video we're going to cut an HU92 BMW key on the Black Widow key machine. So first thing we'll do is go over to the app here, and I'm just going to go build it by car instead of the key blanks. We'll go to BMW, and let's just say it's like we'll just say 3 series from 98 to 2011, and there's code series. And it does kick a little message up to us here. It says, when cutting with HU92, if the key has trouble holding in the jaw securely, try moving it forward before tightening. So, okay. Now, it actually wants us to use the B jaw, but I've actually found these cut better on the A jaw, so I'm just going to swipe to the left here. Now we're using the A jaw. And I do have the code, so we're going to code cut it. And the code is 0311. 0311. You'll hit the little magnifying glass to search here. Maybe. Alright, and there we go. There's our cutting information. So we'll select it. And I did choose the A jaw. And then I'll head over to the A jaw here. And it's telling us second red line. So we'll slide as far up as we can here. As close to that second red line as I can get. It doesn't have to be perfect here. The key machine is smart, and we'll figure it out. Alright, so key's snug in the A jaw, and I'm going to just hit cut, and it's telling us I want to use the 2mm cutter, and I have it on speed 8. I'm going to slow this one down to 5 here because these do have a little trouble staying in the jaw for some reason, and we'll have it do 3 passes. Cut. And we'll just let the machine do its thing here. We'll cut the first side, and we'll flip it over and cut the other side. Alright, there's our first side cut here. Go ahead and we'll flip it over, and we'll cut the other side here. Nice and snug in the jaw. And head over to the app. You're just going to hit cut, and it just tells us 2mm cutter, which we're using. And let it cut this side, and then we'll go ahead and we'll test it out and make sure that it works. Alright, there's side 2 cut here. We're going to get the chips off and grab our lock here, and we'll test it out and make sure that it works here. So there's our cut key, and beautiful. Flip it around here. Perfect. So there's an HU92 BMW key cut here on the Black Widow key machine, and throw this in the playlist here with all the other keys I've cut on the machine on video here. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.